Hello everybody, in this video we are going to unbox Invicta men's watch, so you can see the model and the details here. Now let's remove the paper box. You can see that the watch comes in this nice yellow box, and now let's see the watch itself. The look of the watch is very stylish with a mixture of blue dial and silver tone luminous hands. In the box you will also find the instruction manual as well as the warranty card. This model is Invicta 24171 Pro diver, and it comes with a 50mm wide stainless steel case and a black unidirectional rotating bezel. It also has chronographs for the 24-hour time and date display functions. To set up chronographs you will use the upper button for the days and the lower button for the hours, and day chronograph should adjust automatically once you pass the 24-hour chronograph. To set up time, pull the crown once, and once you are done you just push it back to the base position. The watch is water resistant up to 100 meters and in general suitable for swimming but not for diving. The combination of the metallic look with a 32mm wide silicone rubber strap gives this watch a fusion of sporty and elegant look. The glass on the watch is scratch resistant crystal, so you don't need to worry when you are leaving it somewhere in the storage box. That will be all for this quick unboxing. I hope you like the watch. Assalamu alaikum, may peace be upon you.